Did you tell me about Harley? Is that what you were telling me about? The little one. Little one. Let's keep talking. Hi. Yes. Did Harley walk by? You did?
Yeah.
Yes? Did you say, hi, Harley? Were you allergic to Harley? Say hi, Harley. Really? Did you think he was big? Was he the biggest furry thing you've ever seen? Oh. I see that. Oh, tell me more. Oh, really? Really? What else? What else? He did? He did? Did he shake his fur? Yeah? Lots? Oh. Hi. Yes? Yes? Oh, yes? Yes? Lots of work with the tongue. Yeah. Oh. Is this your monkey? Is this your monkey? Say hi, monkey. Say hi, monkey. And is this your toucan? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Actually, I think that's a macaw. It's a toucan. Wow. You've been thinking about this a lot. Really? Oh, I see. Oh. Yeah. I see. Yeah. You've been thinking about this a lot, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Did you just take a 3.5-hour nap? Oh. That was a whistle. That was a whistle. Oh, so allergies. Oh, yes. Oh. Did you see the puppy again? Oh, there's the puppy. Oh. Yes. That's a puppy. That's a puppy. Say hi, puppy. Yes. Yeah, hi, puppy. Oh. Hi, puppy. The puppy's got a tail. You see that tail moving? Hi, puppy. Hi. Why don't you come over here? There you go. Oh, there's the puppy. You see that puppy?